New for you on Daybreak, as coronavirus cases increase in both of our states, Minnesota and Iowa, doctors are stressing the importance of going back to those basics when it comes to slowing the spread. KIMT News 3's Madeline Watkins joins us live this morning to break down the different defense actions that you can take. Madeline, good morning to you.
Good morning, Tyler. Every single doctor here at Mayo Clinic, of course, wears a mask when they're inside of the hospital, and they also wear protective eyewear. Well, I, of course, don't have any of those special glasses or goggles, but I do have prescription glasses, and I'm learning that that does the same thing. But is it really necessary for the average person to wear both glasses and a mask? Well, first things first, I'm going to remind you how the infection spreads. The virus is carried on droplets, so if it's exposed to your mouth, your nose, or even your eyes, you can become infected. So for healthcare workers who are seeing patients with COVID-19 on a daily basis, they take every single precaution they can to, of course, slow the spread. Now, when you're out in public, you might see a lot of people wearing face shields, which can do the same thing. But Dr. Adi Shah tells me it won't do its job as effectively if you're not wearing a mask as well.
That kind of gives you a false sense of confidence that, oh, if I wear an eye shield or the full face covering shield, I should be okay. However, a better move would be to wear a mask first. So I would hesitate for people to just wear the whole eye shield thing without wearing a mask, because that is definitely more risky than wearing a mask.
So when it comes down to it, if you feel better protected and more comfortable when you are wearing both protective eyewear and a mask, of course, keep doing it. However, going back to the basics of wearing a face mask, keeping your distance, and continuing to wash your hands will be the most beneficial to protect you and others. Live in Rochester, Madeline Watkins, KIMT News 3.
All right, Madeline, thank you. So keep masking up. It's also important to mention that while you don't need to wear a face mask outside when you're social distancing or there aren't others around, it is highly recommended that you're wearing one when you're walking downtown or in any area where there's a lot of people.